my name is SUSHREE and I am the instructor for Tableau. So in this video, we will see the introduction about Tableau and the list of Tableau products. Let's first discuss about what is Tableau. So Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool to view and understand the data. If you want to see this data in this type of graphs, charts or reports, then in this situation we can use Tableau. So basically Tableau is a business intelligence tool. So Tableau doesn't require any technical experience. If you are a fresher or experienced, that doesn't matter. You can easily learn Tableau. Here are 6 reasons to use Tableau. So first one is ultimate skills for data science. It is user friendly. It is applicable to any business. It is fast and easy. No coding needed in Tableau. And finally, we can create reports easily via Tableau. So now we will discuss about list of Tableau products. Those are Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public Desktop, Tableau Reader, Tableau Online, Tableau Public Online, Tableau Server, Tableau Prep, and last one is your Tableau Mobile. Through Tableau Desktop, you can create reports, charts, and you can share on 3 different platforms, which are Tableau Server, Tableau Online, and Tableau Public Online. You can share on any one of them, either on server or online or Tableau Public Online. So this is the first one. And one more thing is to use Tableau Desktop. You have to buy this product, which is $70 per user per month, which is little bit costly. But the second one is the Tableau Public Desktop. If you are a student, you can use Tableau Public Desktop. You don't have to buy this product. Just download to Tableau Public Desktop, which is free for lifetime. But yeah, in this case, you will get less features and you can only publish in Tableau Public Online. So Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public Desktop are called developer tool, and Tableau Server, Tableau Online, and Tableau Public Online. These 3 are called sharing and collaboration tool. So you can publish the data in desktop site, in tablet and in phone. So in this video we have discussed what is Tableau, reasons to use Tableau, list of Tableau products, and what is developer tool, and what is sharing and collaboration tool. I hope you understood. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.